Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Biden on Taiwan. In NAHB survey, crypto slump was moving markets. US President Joe Biden again warned China that US forecasts will defend Taiwan in the case of an unprecedented attack. The UK closes its markets as it says goodbye to Queen Elizabeth II. Cryptocurrencies slump as investors like at the stomach for a week of aggressive central bank action. And Volkswagen values its forecast. Worst unit at up to $75 billion. Here's what you need to know in financial markets on Monday, 19 September. 1. Biden Taiwan. President Joe Biden repeated that U.S. troops will defend Taiwan in the event of an invasion from mainland China, prompting another angry reaction from Beijing. Biden appeared to leave no room for misunderstanding, giving the same answer twice when pressed. However, the White House again felt the need to issue a separate statement later reiterating that this way Biden's personal view rather than official U.S. policy. Historically, the U.S. has avoided taking a line on that question while making its support for Taiwan in every other way. The question of how far the U.S. would risk war with the People's Republic of China has become increasingly pressing this year as Beijing has ramped up its rhetoric about reunification with Taiwan. At the same time, as the U.S. has offered substantial military aid to Ukraine to help it defend itself against Russian attacks. 2. Crypto slumps ahead of central bank meetings. Bitcoin fell to its lowest level in 3 months at the start of a week that is likely to see a substantial tightening of global monetary policy. Momentum has been ebbing from cryptocurrency since last week's US. August consumer inflation report prompted speculation that the Federal Reserve could raise its key interest rates by 100 basis points later this week. Rather than the 75 basis point consensus, other big hikes are also expected from Sweden, Norway, Switzerland, and the Bank of England. Sentiment hasn't been helped by the failure of Ethereum's long-awaited merge to result in an immediate pickup in demand for the network's native token Ether. Ether fell 9.3% overnight to a 2-month low of 100, while Bitcoin fell 7.2%. 3. Stocks set to extend losses at open. BW sets first pollution range. U.S. stock markets are set to open under the same cloud of depressed risk appetites extending. Last week's declines by 1 Dow Jones futures were down 301 points or 1.0%, while S&P 500 futures were down by the same amounts and Nasdaq 100 futures were down 1.1%. The three benchmark cash indices had lost between 4.8% and 6.7% last week, their worst week in 3 months. Stocks likely to be in focus later include AutoZone, which is set to report earnings. Also in focus will be Volkswagen AGR after the company announced the price range for the IPO of its Porsche units. VW is aiming for a valuation of up 75 billion euros or $75 billion, with the spin-off which it hopes will unlock value and help it finance its transition to electric mobility. The National Association of Home Builders monthly report on the housing market is the only item not on the data calendar. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.